Hi chicos, here I am again. Now we are gonna paint the bottom part of this exercise, thinking that we are going to have a moonlight here. So this is the moon. Okay, so the moon is going to give us cool light. All right, let's start working then. Let's say this box is pinkish. Okay, so that one is going to be the local color. And remember that the local color is always being affected by the light source. So what color is the light that comes from the moon? Yellow or white? Yes, you're right. It's white. Indoors, we are going to have always cool light, unless we have a light source, I mean a lamp, with warm light. Okay, so I apply the local color, and now this side of the box is going to be affected by the white moonlight that comes from the moon, right? Okay, so this creates the effect of having a cool light. So cool light equals warm shades. I am finding this color a little bit light, right? Maybe too light to be in the darkest area. So I may add a warmer color on top of it, just to emphasize the effect that this is in the dark. Okay, so I'm using this brownish color, which is actually burnt sienna, creating a very nice effect. Okay, corazones, notice that I'm creating different layers. Okay, don't be afraid of doing it, because the final result is just beautiful. A painting actually is the result of lots of layers. And I'm gonna call that the layering effect. Okay, I'm coming back to the pink color I was using at the beginning to give unity to my box. Now it looks much more better, right? So cool light, I'm gonna write it here. When we have a cool light source, so we're gonna have warm shades. Yes, they are opposite. Warm. Do you think I am going to have space here for the word shades? Let's see if I do. Wow, yes, I did it. Right? Cool light, warm shades. Very good. Now let's do this one. Let's say then this is the moon. I want to do this moon more moon-like, so I'm going to draw a nose here. I'm going to draw a mouth. Yes, it's sleeping the moon. Cool. I'm going to add some more white. Cool. That's the moon. I'm gonna paint here a negative space, so we understand better that that is the moon. Cool. All right, so we have another one. We have this one. We have that one. Let's do that one. Let's say I want here to have purplish box. So I'm gonna start by applying the local color. I'm gonna decide, because this is right in the middle, I'm gonna work with the cool light, just because I want to have 2 examples for cool light, 2 examples for warm light. Okay, so we are going to agree that this is going to be the darkest area, so I'm gonna give a second layer of the chosen color. Okay, and I'm going to apply white in this side. The side is being touched by the moon light. Every time we add white to a color, the color is going to appear to be cooler. Okay, so that's a tip for you. Okay, so we were talking about cool light, warm shades. So I'm gonna make this warmer by putting on top of it kind of orange color, maybe that one. Yes, so my purple looks a little bit warmer, right? Looks warmer. But now I'm gonna go back to the initial purple I was using, because I still see the pores of the paper, and I want to saturate the pores of the paper for a better result. Looking much better. Still not very happy. I think I'm gonna add more of this warmer color, just to make it look warmer. So color temperature correspondence is very important, okay? It's not just about making it darker, okay? So that's the difference between drawing and painting. When we are painting, we are adding lots of information about the environment. All right, corazones, I think it's done. Once we finish this exercise, we are going to start preparing the drawing for the painting that we are doing. Cool. Once you finish, post it in Google Slides.